Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
You can see behind me that we've got our big Christmas tree. It's not got any snow on it yet, but we're hoping for snow before the end of the day. Our first Christmas fair was the end of the first term of the school's existence. We were a very small school at that point, and we only had 150 students. But even then, even on that first Christmas fair, the Friends of Wellington and us got together and produced something much larger than the school. So that set the tone for the Christmas fair, which is, it's a great opportunity for everybody to come here and have a lot of fun. Welcome everybody. It is wonderful to see you. Have a great time, enjoy yourselves. Year one, a tiny school with a big Christmas fair. Year two, the fair doubled in size. It was twice as exciting, twice as enjoyable, twice as hard work for all of us. And then COVID came and 2 years of no fair at all. So this is the first one back after COVID. The fair is infinitely bigger, and it is part of the creation of the character of the school. Merry Christmas, everybody.
So you're gonna give a star to all the students?
Only if they deserve it.
Oh, tough Santa. The Christmas fair is organized by the Friends of Wellington committee, but not only the committee come together to work. You will see other parents that are not the member of the committee, but they volunteer. So it's the whole community working together. It's such a joy seeing that we are a very loving and caring and unified community.
Friends of Wellington is a group of people to which everybody in the school belongs. So all parents and all staff, actually all teachers and so forth, everybody belongs to Friends of Wellington. I was amazed really. We have so much talent and skill and knowledge and capability amongst our parent group. So it's a very energetic and extremely capable organisation, actually, the Friends of Wellington. As the head of the school, I'm really delighted that our Friends of Wellington are so committed to doing these extraordinary things to support the whole school community.
I think the Christmas fair this year has been really fun. The FOW has put a lot of hard work into it, and it was really fun for me and my friends here.
I really enjoyed it. I think there's a lot of good food and options, and the music was definitely the best for me.
I really like the idea of just the Christmas fair at school for everyone to get to know each other better. And my favorite activity was probably the bowling because it was really fun.
I really like the game zone because at the game zone you will see, students going around together as a group and play together, and they are having fun. But in game zone you can also see that the students, how they line up, how they very well behave. Another favorite that we have this year is the dunk tank. When teachers, students, they have such a bond, that's why, the students here, they are having a very happy life because sort of they are friends with the teacher and they share the joy together.
2 years we were online, and this year is the first year that we had a chance to join something like this. It's a very good experience, and I see smiles, I hear laughters, I see parents enjoying, and we get to know each other more. So this is something that I would like to support, to have more of it, not just Christmas fair.